Abel Ahmed Rufai. I'm an international journalist. I work with a US-based news agency, Feature Story News, and correspondent for international television stations, including South Africa Broadcasting Corporation, Canadian Broadcasting Corporation, and China Global Television Network, formerly CCTV. Exit strategy changed my life. I was part of the summit in 2012 before I graduated from the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. One key thing I picked up from the summit, which has helped build my career in journalism, was an advice from Mr. Frimpong for graduates not to wait till national service postings, but start the job search right after we submit our final project or thesis. Immediately I finished school, I sent out my CV to media houses in Accra and was able to get a job before the national service postings. I later got to do my national service in one of the media houses in Accra, and that has catapulted my career to this level. I will highly encourage all tertiary students to attend the Exit Strategy Summit. It will be a turning point in your life, just as it did mine. Thank you.